Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. For my first video, I wanted to address the question I get most often and why the answer to this question might be just what you are looking for. So the question I get the most, what exactly do you do? Now, I love my family and friends to death, but honestly, if they had to answer this question, they probably couldn't. And that's because holistic health encompasses so much, it's really hard to effectively and quickly lay everything out. What I tell people and what my website tells people is that I'm a holistic health practitioner and I specialize in female health and wellness, and I help my clients achieve the highest level of health possible through the integration of movement, nutrition, and mindset practices. What? So what does that mean? What that means is when a client comes to work with me, regardless of why they come to work with me, those three foundations, nutrition, movement, and mindset, will be met, and they will be addressed first. Now, what kind of clients do I work with? So obviously I work mostly with women, but specifically I work with women who are trying to conceive, who are pregnant, or who are postpartum. So why might this be just what you are looking for? I help clients with PMS, PCOS, irregular cycles, anxiety, digestive issues, acne, hormonal imbalances, fertility issues, any pain during pregnancy like low back pain or pelvic pain, gestational diabetes, any pelvic floor issues like pelvic floor incontinence or pelvic organ prolapse, and diastasis recti. I also help to educate women on natural birth control and their cycles and exercising with their cycles, birth preparation and different birthing options, how to push in a safe way, hiring a doula, breastfeeding and increasing supply, and exercise during and after pregnancy. So if you are looking to address any of those issues in a more holistic way, Balanced Holistic Health might just be the place for you. Please leave any questions or comments below and be sure to subscribe for all things female holistic health and wellness.